Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central St. Lucie, in east central Florida, eastern Indian River County in east central Florida, southeastern Brevard County in east central Florida, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Vero Beach South, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sebastian, Vero Beach, Fells Manor, Indian River Shores, and Vero Beach South. For your protection, move to an interior room on the